No? So that crazy idea, it earned him 4 million in 6 months. So let's say meron tayong mga business ideas. Oh, before I move on to that, did you know that the most, hindi naman most, but one of the most craziest yet profitable businesses is this one, Petrock. Kaya time and time again, I always tell people, you write down all your ideas kahit you think it's crazy. Imagine this guy, it was Gary Dahl. No? Gary Dahl created this business, it's called Petrock. So sawa na sila magkakaibigan sa mga ingay, sa dumi ng mga regular na pet natin, no? Like dogs, cats, birds. No? So he wanted something, a pet, no? Na hindi magdudumi, hindi mag-iingay. So he invented a pet rock. No? So that crazy idea, it earned him 4 million in 6 months. You know, the business only lasted for 6 months. Obviously. Kasi eventually mga tao magigising, ano ba yung ginagawa ko? Ba't bumibili ng bato, no, for a pet? But yet, even during those 6-month period, he was able to earn 4 million. Now, sabi ko nga, it's a crazy idea yet very profitable during its operation. So don't forget to write down all your ideas no matter how crazy you think they are. So let's start our business journey together.